That's right what we need after the holidays, isn't it? Published in an anonymous Arabo-Andalusian cookbook from the Middle Ages, this recipe unites the medicinal goodness of nigella, cumin, caraway and honey in a small candy to be taken after meals. Apart from the benefits already mentioned in the tonic's title, it is said to cure bloating, aid digestion, dissolve phlegm and black bile, clear the head and aid in mild coughs.